Why did you start cycling, man?
Tour de France.
Good morning. It's 6:32 and Kavi's late. Kavi's never late. I'm the one who's late always. So I was watching this video yesterday at GCN on worst cycling habits. Coming late, I think that's my number one biggest habit when it comes to meetups. I'm always late, always. Today's the first time I'm on time, We were scheduled to leave at 6 and we moved to 6:20 because we both slept late and 6:30 now and it's 6:32, 33 maybe. Kavi's late. What the hell? Yeah, so welcome back to the video and I've been planning on doing something different, So my new job involves making a lot of videos and making content and planning and doing stuff, which is something that I've never done in case of these videos, unless of course it's a bike tour or some crazy thing like the Everest thing that DP did. I've been basically thinking of getting some structure into the videos and talking about specific and important things. And today I'm going to talk about why get into cycling, because I've just seen a shit ton of people, not shit ton, I've basically seen a ton of people get on bikes in Bangalore post-lockdown, which is incredible. I love it. It's amazing. Even at the store, we've sold a lot of bikes, which is pretty insane. Doesn't usually happen. I'm going to talk about why I got into cycling. I'm going to ask Cubby why he got into cycling. And I think seems to be a legitimate thing to talk about this video. Today's video is about why Kavi is late.
Oh.
How is Kavi late?
I couldn't sleep.
That's why you got late, because of your new chain.
No, that was yesterday night. But it feels smooth, man.
So she said.
What she said. Oh. You seen this short movie called The Gunfighter?
The what fighter? You call him the Colonel. Drill Sergeant. He only does 80 cadence, 200 watts, average speed of 36. Today is late, so I told him today go chill because both of us didn't sleep well. What's your plan?
Sweet spot.
Oh, nice.
I took shitty day today. I woke up and I thought it was a rest day, so I'm like skip breakfast. Sit around, look at the plans this week for like,
Oh shit.
Get on the bike.
Nice. So why did you start cycling, bro?
I hurt myself running, so I thought I'd do something to keep myself fit.
It's a good sign. Don't run.
On the bike, and I haven't looked back since.
Sweet spotting it.
Yeah, I'm not looking back, man.
Best decision ever, man.
Easy peasy.
And the reason I'm saying this is because ever since the lockdown, dude, have you noticed the number of cyclists on the road?
Yeah.
Like shit ton. New cyclists, yeah. And that's the whole concept. Why? Why are you doing this? This is awesome, but I also don't know why.
Makes sense.
Yeah. I need to ask that guy because he doesn't want to talk to me.
Come back.
Guy with a loose chain.
And fancy number and all. Huh?
Fancy number, dude.
Fancy guy,
number,
fancy
fancy
bike.
bike, fancy kit. Copy's my kit.
Hey, I had this before you.
I had this way before
Hey.
you.
Show me the first photograph in this.
When did you get the first photograph?
Huh?
When did you have the first photograph?
Mine? Mine is 2 years back.
Mine was 2 years back.
That. We'll check on
Yeah,
Strava.
it looks 2 years old. Fibers are coming out. Alright, Sam. Good ride. Good meeting you.
Likewise, man. I filmed myself on the shitty 2% climb. Like 2% in gassing.
This is why we started cycling. Why did you start cycling, man?
Tour de France. What a question to ask.
No, seriously.
Seriously.
This is the vlog.
I'm telling
I'm
you.
asking, like, people want to know, like, why did you start cycling?
I came home, I put on a TV and Tour de France was coming and I said, that's it. That's me. No, jokes apart. And then I went out and bought a cycle. My wife said, you're crazy, you know.
You bought this bike.
No, I got this one.
On the same bike.
It's red color, he's got a green one. This is
Oh.
which group set?
This is like full
I'll take
mulaka.
her, so I had a 105. So I had an accident, it cracked from here. The frame.
And you got this.
Like, I'll do this and go away.
But jokes apart, it's a lovely bike.
It is.
It's a carbon bike, right?
Yeah. But it's really light, man. It just flies.
Have to compensate somewhere, no?
But I'm saying it's really good.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Alright,
So,
guys.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'll do your recovery ride though.
When?
Tomorrow.
Hey, there's nothing called recovery, right?
Welcome to Kavi land.
Kill me every day. I'm not coming back. Structured training is gone out the window.
No structured training. Structured training is 36 kilometers per hour, average speed. Today is what?
Maybe it's slowed down today.
Oh, 33.8.
That's thanks to you boys.
Thanks to your amazing chain. Home mechanic.
30-kilometer long chain is wrapped it around the thing.
This will help buddy cyclists who lose the chain on the way.
So that was an awesome ride. Just got back. Met Sam after ages. Like, I've been speaking to Sam on Strava, Instagram, but yeah, not met him in a while. The last time I met him was in Hyderabad over a race. He was 10 kilos heavier and he's got super strong now. Good on you, Sam. So yeah, you must have heard what people have been talking about, why they got into cycling, and yeah, I'll tell you why I got into cycling when I go up. Wheels Pap. This is an awesome alley cat in Berlin that Steffi and I were a part of last year when we were in Berlin, and yeah, we got the best hat makers award. We weren't racing it, but we were volunteers for the whole checkpoint. So yeah, nice memory. So yeah, welcome back to the video. It's a good evening. It's nice and warm, and the fans are off. I'm sweating a little bit, but it's fine. I think I'm gonna make this a point now to like make videos a little bit more consistent and with some more content, with some more structure to it. As I was explaining, you know, like the new job involves creating structured content, and that's something I've not been doing with this channel, and I think I should be doing. And especially now, since the whole COVID thing and lockdown situation and people are like riding bikes, I think this is a great time for people to get on a bike and just explore and get fit and reduce pollution and just make everything awesome in the city. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked about the fact that Sam and Cubby both had the stories to tell on why they got into cycling, which is so awesome. Sam with his transformation story, you know. I remember last year when I raced with him in June in Hyderabad. He literally finished the race last, and pretty sure right now he's in a situation where he can like drop me outright, except when it comes to a kicker. Probably I'll take him over there, but flat outs he's killing it. And Kavi, man, like, you know, he didn't say this on camera because we just had a call some time back planning for tomorrow's ride, and he actually told me the inside scoop. And he literally got into cycling because of Tour de France. He comes back from work, puts on 10 sports, sees the Tour de France happening. He doesn't really watch sports or sports TV channels. Sees the Tour de France happening, gets totally inspired, and 3 months later, he basically gets himself a bike. And this is after research, and he goes to a bike shop, tells him that he knows how to ride a bike, knows what shifters, what Altegra is. He has no clue what this is. Does his research and gets his bike, and yeah, now he's smashing it. Very stoked for him to be a part of our team, and I think he's going to kill the Masters category this year if we have racing. But nonetheless, reason I got into cycling was for health and fitness and commuting reasons, and I was also quite broke at that time, and I think the best way to like move around town was on a cycle, and I got myself a really cheap cycle for $8,000. It was like a really old school oversized size 56 French racing cycle, which I absolutely loved. Like, I loved that bike. It's still there. It's at the store. Probably give you like a sneak peek of it sometime. I plan to restore it. And yeah, that's the main reason I got into cycling. And next thing you know, like, I've got deeper into cycling. I've got into road cycling, because you can basically just go faster, longer, higher, further, everything, and feel a little less drained out or stressed out compared to, say, a fixed gear bike. But I still love my fixed gear bikes. And yeah, and photography, like, I love taking photos. I still love taking photos on mobile phones. And now that I have a camera and I'm filming stuff, you know, and if you're in a cycle, you get to see like the most amazing situations, because especially in India, you're cycling early in the morning, you get to see the most amazing sunrises. I get to see amazing sunrises through the window as well, but yeah. And you get to see the amazing transformation from dawn to like morning, and it's just amazing. And you get to see some crazy places, amazing views. And if you have a camera, if it's a phone or a full frame or a full proper camera, like, you can really capture some amazing stuff. And if you're a photographer who's stuck at home and you can't move, I know that feeling. You know, like, I'm not a photographer, but during the lockdown, I couldn't take pictures of anything except for things outside my window. And on a cycle, man, it's amazing. So yeah, if you're new to cycling or you're considering cycling, just do it. Like, get on a bike, find people who cycle. If you don't find people who cycle, still just go out and ride your bike. And if you like taking pictures, it's a total win-win situation. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, whatever people do. And I'm going to see you in the next video in a couple of days with a new topic, which I have no idea what it's about, but it's going to be something related to cycling.